Hey everybody, Notorious here. This is the first time ever that I'm trying the comfort padding by Teufelberger. Let's take a look at it. This is the stock padding for the Treemotion Essential. As you can see, it's not very substantial. It's very thin. So I upgraded to the comfort padding by Teufelberger for the Treemotion, and you can see that it's got this nice green trim. It's much more substantial with the padding, and it's got coverage on your front part of your stomach where the strap goes across to connect it. Let's get on a rope and see how it feels for the first time. Oh man. Whew, this is so much better than the stock padding that you just saw. Oh my goodness. I would highly recommend this to anyone. This type of padding comes stock on the Pro version, but not on the Essential. So if you have the Essential, definitely consider this. Wow, this is gonna change my life forever. Oh my God.